guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a tutorial using some brand new products, so let's play and get into it. This is the new Morphe 25D Oh Boy eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this color in my crease as a transition color. This is the brand new Free Spirit palette from OFRA. It's pretty much your go-to summer palette. I'm starting off with Country Road eyeshadow, and I'm just placing this in my crease as a bright transition color. I'm going back into the Morphe palette and using this warm orangey brown and creating a halo eyeshadow look by placing the shadow in the outer and inner corner of my lid and then using an angled brush to blend this in the crease. So now I'm mixing a eyeshadow primer and concealer and using this to carve out the center of my crease, and I'm just using a flat concealer brush. Then I just like to use my finger to blend out those edges so they're nice and diffused. Now I'm going in with the Rodeo Dry highlighter, which is one of my favorites, and I love using this for the center of my lid just to really brighten up the look. I swear this color is so pigmented and insanely reflective. This is the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, which is a mascara that I have been using for a while. I love the bristles and the formula of this mascara, and it makes my lashes look bomb. Then I'm just finishing up my lashes with the Time Los Angeles Luxury Lashes in Extra, which are my favorites. Now I'm going to shape and define my brows with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I believe this is the color number 5. And then I'm going back in with a 24-hour brow setter just to kind of groom my brows and keep them in place. It's pretty much hairspray for your brows. Moving on to my complexion, I'm going to prep my skin with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This stuff is bomb, and it makes your skin nice and hydrated and kind of gives a pep in your step. For this tutorial, I decided to go in with my BareMinerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. I use the color Pecan, and I just love this foundation so much. I feel like it gives me a full coverage, it doesn't look too heavy, and it feels great. Now I'm just moving on to my concealer for under my eye area and then blending it out with a beauty blender. While I let my under eye sit for a second, I'm going to set my foundation with a setting powder. Now I'm going back into the Free Spirit palette and I'm using the OFRA Banana Powder, which is one of the best setting powders out there. I'm just using this underneath my eye. It keeps the area nice and bright and keeps that concealer in place. Now I'm just finishing up underneath my eye area, and I'm using the exact same colors I used on my lids, just in reverse. So I'm starting off with the darkest color that I used in the inner and outer corner of my eyes, and then blending it out with that transition color. Then don't forget to finish up your bottom lashes with a few coats of mascara, and I'm just going back in with that Benefit mascara. Now I'm going in with this matte bronzer that comes in the palette, and you get a huge pan size in this palette, which is awesome. So I'm just using this on my temples, top of my forehead, hollows of my cheeks, and under my jaw. Now I'm just going to give a little structure to my cheekbones by carving them out with a contour powder from NYX. I don't normally wear blush, but I decided to give the Winter Rose Glow Blush a go, and I actually loved how this looked. It was a very nice neutral color. Now I'm going in with Rodeo Dry highlighter, which again is one of my favorites. You can see this highlighter from a mile away, and I'm just putting this on the highest points of my face. And to give a little shape and definition to my lips, I'm just going to line them with the Slide On Glide On lip pencil from NYX Cosmetics. To finish off the look and add a pop of color, I'm using the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Venice from OFRA Cosmetics. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will list all the products I used down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.